Hello everyone, this is a question from CMAT 25 slot 2. Arrange the following in the correct order. This is a question on sentence rearrangement. So we have to rearrange all the jumbled up sentences into a meaningful and coherent paragraph. The founder of this tradition was a 13th century poet Jayadev who wrote in Sanskrit. Now here you can see this is given. It means this stands for some tradition which should be there in one of the sentences. So this cannot be the starting statement. Later poets like Vidyapati in Maithili, Nasi in Gujarati and Chandidas in Bengali followed Jayadev's Gita Govinda as the model for their songs. So later poets means obviously these are the later poets. It means we have to go for the former poets as well. So again, this cannot be the starting statement. At present, a huge repository of song poems dedicated to Shri Krishna in the same tradition is available to contemporary Krishna devotees. Now here you can see in the same tradition. Which tradition are we talking about? So this cannot be the starting statement. As C cannot be the starting statement, so I can beautifully eliminate my 4 options, and those 2 eliminated options are A and D. So D cannot be the answer and A cannot be the answer because in these 2 options, we have started a sentence with C, which is not possible. So now it is very clear cut that the first statement is going to be D. Okay, so Mirabai inherited a long rich tradition of song poems dedicated to Shri Krishna. So D is going to be the starting statement, and after D it has to be A because it is very clear from the options. And why it is A? So Mirabai inherited a long rich tradition. So if she inherited any tradition, so basically this tradition belongs to whom? This tradition belongs to the founder of this tradition was a 13th century poet Jayadev. Okay, so D and A makes a pair, and that pair is given in B and C both. We just have to see whether it should be CB or it should be BC. Now here comes the role of chronology technique. And what is chronology technique? It means we have to list the events in the same order in which they took place. So here you can see 13th century, okay. After 13th century, it is later poets, and then it is at present. So any which way, C cannot come before B. C has to come after B only, and BC also makes a pair. Therefore, the answer is going to be C, and the right sequence is D, A, B and C. I hope it is clear. Thank you.